Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Acorns Card ecosystem. We'll cover what it is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately answer the big question, is Acorns one of the best financial products for beginners in 2026? Well, let's get started. Acorns has built its reputation around one simple idea: making investing effortless. For years, one of the biggest barriers preventing people from investing was the belief that you needed a lot of money to get started. Acorns changed that by introducing automated investing through roundups, allowing users to invest spare change from everyday purchases. Today, Acorns has evolved into a much larger financial platform that combines investing, retirement planning, banking, savings tools, educational resources, and family-focused financial products into one ecosystem. The Acorns Card plays a major role in that ecosystem. Instead of acting simply as a payment card, the Acorns Card is designed to help automate good financial habits. Every purchase can contribute toward investing. Every paycheck can be partially invested automatically. Savings can be built alongside spending, and users can manage nearly everything from a simple app. The Acorns Card is therefore not just a payment method, it's a gateway into a larger financial system designed around long-term wealth building. And that's exactly why so many users continue to choose Acorns in 2026. Now let us talk about the main features of Acorns. Real-time roundups. The feature Acorns is most famous for is the roundups. Here's how it works. When you make a purchase, Acorns rounds the transaction up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It may not sound like much at first, but these small contributions can add up surprisingly quickly over time. Integrated checking accounts. The Acorns Card comes with an integrated checking account experience. This account includes many of the features people expect from modern digital banking, including direct deposits, transfers, digital payment capabilities, and even ATM access. Paycheck split. One of the most powerful features available is paycheck split. Users can automatically detect portions of their paycheck into different account accounts. This automation removes the temptation to spend money before investing it. Many financial experts argue that paying yourself first is one of the most effective wealth building strategies, and Acorns essentially automates that process. Next, we have Acorns Earn. This is another standout feature. This program partners with thousands of brands and retailers. And when users shop through participating partners, bonus investments are added to their Acorns accounts. Emergency savings. Acorns also includes emergency savings features for eligible subscription plans. This allows users to build a dedicated emergency fund while earning a competitive annual percentage yield. Retirement investing. Acorns isn't just focused on short-term investing. The platform also offers retirement accounts through Acorns Later. Certain subscription tiers even include IRA contribution matching benefits, giving long-term investors additional value. Now let us talk about the pricing. It's interesting to know that on Acorns, if you're not sure which subscription is right for you, you can select a few options to decide. And that's what you have on the pricing page. But generally, there's the Acorns Bronze plan at $3 per month, there's an Acorns Silver plan at $6 per month, and an Acorns Gold plan at $12 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Acorns? We'll start with the pros. First, Acorns makes investing incredibly easy. Next is the roundups. Yes, the roundups automate investing without requiring users to think about it. Third, the banking and investing integration is excellent, and paycheck split helps users invest consistently. And then there's an app which is beginner-friendly and easy to navigate. Now, what about the cons? The first drawback is the monthly subscription fee. Some competing financial apps offer basic investing features without recurring monthly costs, basically free. Second, experienced investors may find Acorns somewhat limiting compared to full-service brokerages, and users that are looking for premium travel rewards, airline miles, or high cashback rates may find traditional credit cards more rewarding than the Acorns Card. So is Acorns worth it in 2026? Well, for many people, absolutely yes. The biggest strength of Acorns is not the card itself, but the real value comes from the entire ecosystem that is surrounding it. Its greatest achievement is making investing feel simple. And sometimes simplicity is exactly what people need to finally start growing their money. And that's it on the review of the Acorns and the Acorns Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Robinhood Gold Card, SoFi Checking, and Savings and Betterment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.